Soarin?
Yep, good night, Ed. I got Soarin.
One.
Head all the way down for us.
Alrighty. One, yep. Row 3, thank you.
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, wait right here for just a moment. I'll be right back for you. I'll be right back for you.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Soarin Airlines Flight 5505 with round-trip service around the world. Before our flight may depart, we would like to take this opportunity to acquaint you with our onboard safety procedures. We ask that you please remain seated at all times throughout the flight with your seatbelt securely fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, pull the belt across your lap and insert it into the buckle on your right. Smaller aviators who don't reach up to the right wings on their seat back should pull their seatbelts through the center strap prior to buckling. Please store all personal items when boarding by placing them into the baskets located under your seats. Thank you for joining us here today and enjoy your flight. Through here and head into the room.
Yes.
Right here in row 2.
Row 2, okay.
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Favor de colocar sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños. Esperamos que disfruten su vuelo.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Thanks for soaring with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here at EPCOT or wherever your final destination may take you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with us. Please take your time as you exit and maintain physical distancing between your body and others.